Okay, so today we have this 2009 Nissan GTR in excellent condition. This is one of the cleanest ones we have had in a while. The car is in absolutely stunning condition. This has a few upgrades on the vehicle. Shep 1.5 or almost stage 2 transmission, full E85 flex fuel. It's full bolt-on vehicles, titanium exhaust, upgraded headlights, and it has a depot 2015 and up style headlights, 2022 Nissan GTR wheels on it, lots of carbon on it, carbon lip, carbon side skirts, carbon diffuser, spoilerless trunk, carbon trunk, and carbon scoops on the hood. Full bolt-ons. That also has the upgraded Alpha intercooler. Really nice car. Just did a 500-mile road trip bringing it down here and drove like almost like a new car. Let's go over the vehicle. I'm going to do a quick exterior, point any imperfections, then interior, engine bay. I'll give it a couple of quick revs. Body is really clean on this car. Nothing really is going on with the body. Really good condition for its age. No rock chips. Wheels on fairly good condition. One paint chip right there. DBA rotors look good. A couple of touch-up paints. Looks like it's been touched up right here. Nothing crazy. Roof's in good condition. No oxidation. Carbon trunk looks good. Carbon diffuser, no cracks. Very well taken care of. We also have a recent PPI on this from Nissan upon request. Back wheel looks good. A little chip right there. Just walk to the body side. Really clean body. No paint chips, door dings whatsoever on the car. Looks good. Front bumper. There are a couple of rock chips on here. Front lip has some. Obviously it being pretty low, but nothing crazy. Rock chip right there. There. That's about it on the front end. Other than that, really clean car. Let's go in the interior. Door card. Yeah, let's turn on the flash so you can see a little better. Tons of carbon inside as well. In very good condition. GTR logo down there. This is a non-smoker car. I don't smell any foul smell. It also has upgraded steering wheel. Carbon all over the place. Nismo cluster upgrade, so it has that red RPM gauge. These are just hazards because I have all the doors open and the e-brake up. Nothing, no funny business. The head unit is also upgraded. This is a full touchscreen unit. Turn these lights off. This is a full touchscreen unit. Has navigation, backup camera. So this was retrofitted from a New York GTR into the car. Really nice. Okay, carbon here. Let's go to the passenger side. Turn the lights on. These actually have a really nice cutoff. Passenger side seat. No cracks on the dash. These are infamous for cracking right around here on the dash. Nissan really didn't take care of their vehicles, I guess, when they were testing. But it's really nice. No cracks, no nothing. Carbon. Your side skirt. Front lip. There it is, folks. 2009 Nissan GTR.